Hello, my name is Darryl Linardi, and I'm an undergrad studying mechanical engineering at Newark University. As a part of the Dynamical Systems Laboratory, I've had the opportunity to engineer a highly modular ant nest for experimental use. Also collaborating closely with a team of biologists from New Jersey Institute of Technology's SORM Lab. Our project was conducted as part of a larger grant funded by the National Science Foundation, aimed at understanding the regulatory mechanisms that allow collective behavior to emerge in changing conditions. We plan on making the files freely available and encourage adaptation, so do be on the lookout for that. Current setups for 2D ant observation largely utilize Petri dish matrices for large-scale observation of colonies in parallel, glass sandwiches, allowing for custom nest geometries, more intricate setups where nests are built for specific behaviors. While it is impossible to replace all of these builds with a single solution, our project is focused on providing researchers with a modular platform that can be adapted to a range of experiments. OpenNest is our modular solution and provides researchers with a toolbox to build unique and effective experiments. The environment is made up of three chamber sizes, which can be fitted together to form unique geometries with an acrylic lid for top-down observation. OpenNest has six ingredients. Through our presentation, we will highlight the unique features of the nest and then demonstrate two potential uses for the build. Each of the nest components can be 3D printed, making assembly easy and reproducible. At the end of our presentation, we will share a link to a GitHub repo where you can download the STL files needed to print it yourself. First, ants are notorious jailbreakers, so we need to give special attention to preventing escapes. The dual function gate can be opened and closed without displacing the acrylic lids, and it cleverly plugs into the gap to prevent escapees when gates are opened. When inserted, self-clamping keys pull the chambers closer together, like a reusable Fox wedge tenon and mortise joint used in woodworking. These components create an ant-tight seal. Second, the intentional choice of equilateral triangles and hexagons enables the construction of simple or complex setups, depending on the need of the experiment. The outer triangles can be connected to one another to accommodate a range of geometries. Here, we show a hexagon, but they can be rearranged to form many other shapes. Inner triangles can be used to partition the space available in the larger hexagonal rooms and come in three variations. We show one on the right, but the other two are the same shape with fewer walls. Finally, we tried to build OpenNest so that the ants would keep out of the interchamber walkways. Interchamber walls are curved to discourage clumping outside of designated chamber areas. The floor is also inset by 1 millimeter to accommodate plaster flooring for grip and humidity control. Now that concludes our description. We are currently planning to apply OpenNest in a few contexts. The left example will be used to study task allocation to understand how Argentine ants distribute work inside the colony. One of our collaborators is also using the system to conduct experiments on how nests of Argentine ants interact, and have even discussed using three triangles as a removable bridge. These experiments are currently in the planning stage, but are good examples of OpenNest's utility. The doors also do open to three-dimensional ant towers if needed, through the use of the threaded inserts as guide rails for stacking. Thank you for listening, and please direct any questions to our Discord channel or here. And the GitHub repo is on screen right now. Thank you.